Good day guys, welcome back to another video. We are back on site and today I am working on this door. As you can see, this funny little awkward gap here which is not going to work with these bricks, so I've got to take this brick out and I've taken quite a few out already. Basically I'm going to tube these back in, but I had to make this wider than it was because the door we originally were going to put in there that the customer gave us had an issue, so we couldn't use it. So they give us another door which they had there, which is slightly wider, I think. Can't remember now. But basically it's sort of thrown things out, so I've had to take some bricks off here and sort of redo this bit up so it sort of would line up properly. So basically, yeah, I've just tubed out about a brick or half on some bits, and I'm just sort of rebuilding this area back up now. So that's the main thing that I'll be doing today. The guy's going to be working inside on the insulation. They're going to finish that insulation between the joists, wrap that up today, and yeah, that's the plan for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, a little bit of bricklaying, and I'll see you at the end. Take care. So I've realized that I left both of my trolls in the bucket on another job. So I had one of these square trolls that I've never used. It came in a pack with some pointing trolls and stuff like that. So I'm going to try and see if I can use this to get these bricks laid. It's only a few little small bricks, so I think I'll manage with this small little square troll. Job's got to go on. So this is it, guys. I managed to get it done. There's just a small little piece at the top and small piece at the bottom. I want this to set first, and then I will sort out that little bit at the top and the last bit at the bottom. But otherwise, it's done. Job done. Doors also been screwed in as well on that side, so we're all secure. The guys have been working on the inside. As you can see, they've pretty much done it. Put a little foam in a few joints here and there. So when we come back, we will just clean that up, and then we'll be putting this second layer over this layer, which will be screwed straight onto the joists, and then we will get an inspection, and then everything is ready for plasterboard. And Mr. A also completed the partition wall as well. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think in the comments, and have a great weekend, and see you soon.